Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create subpages on your website on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, there is a built-in functionality on Squarespace which you can use to create subpages, and we're going to be doing that right now. Firstly, you're going to go into the Pages menu, and then you're going to select whether you want your pages to be under main navigation or not linked. I'll select not linked for now, so I'm just going to click a plus, and I'm going to click on the drop down type. Once I click drop down, I'll name it whatever I want. For example, let me just rename it test drop down. And now we have a test drop down. However, if I click on it, as you'll be able to see, there is no page that appears when I click on this. It just takes me to the page where I'm already at. So, for example, if we want to have the main navigation page for the subpages be test dropdown, we can go ahead and add a new page, which we're going to name test dropdown, like so. And we're going to create that as the first top subpage, and then we're going to add our other subpages. For example, subpage 1 and subpage 2, and that is pretty much it. So once you actually add the drop down, you're just going to be clicking the add page under it, and that should be it. Let me take the footer links into not linked, and let me take test drop down at the top here so that it displays under my main navigation. And now if I hover over it, as you can see, test drop down shows double because of course this is another sub page, but that is pretty much the only way that I figured out how to do this. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.